morning, people. This is the next morning. We are out of Jaipur, about 100 kilometers, heading towards Jodhpur. Looking blah blah. You can see some mountains or hills in the distance, Aravalis, and yeah, that's my ride. There. Traffic is all right, not too bad, not too good. I'll see you on the road. Welcome back, people. Reached Jodhpur about 2 hours ago. Found our place. The place is good. We are staying at Sadar or Sadar Haveli Heritage. It's a good place. The rooms are nice, air conditioning and everything. Look at this. Like, it is kind of heritage situation. Built old, the old architecture you can see, and the view. Look at the view. That's Mangarh Fort, one of the most infamous forts in Jodhpur, and not infamous, famous, because infamous implies for a wrong reason. And right now, water is falling from the sky. Some might call it rain, but it's not raining quite. It's drizzling at best. Let me climb a few stairs, then I'll show you another fort that you can see from this property. I think that's Umaid Bhawan, but I'm not sure. Okay, I don't even know if you can see it, but here you go. It should be somewhere there. That tiny little 4 pillars and a dome you can see right above my finger. That's what we are seeing in the distance. So yeah, let's see how many destinations we can cover before it gets dark. Bang the car in the door of the property while coming in. There's a small dent, a small part of the paint has been scraped off, which is not good because then it can, rust the body of the car or whatever. We'll get it fixed once we get home. Nothing big, minor fender bender. Yeah, oh shit, rain is getting to the camera. So I'll see you at one of the forts. What is this? Turji ki Bawdi. Some people are saying it's 250 feet deep. I don't think so, but maybe 50 feet, maybe 100. 250, that's crazy. So look at that, the stairs. They're standing over here. I'm in no mood for another shower or a dip. The water is not good either. What? Look at that. We are making our way to Mangarh Fort or Man Fort, and there's This is actually quite a steep road. You can see elevation. It feels like Rasol or like Chalal vibes. Lost my breath. Almost lost my breath. Coming up this incline. Let's see. मैं तो यहीं संतुष्ट हो गया. चल जा. Yeah, almost see the entire city of Jodhpur from here. Yeah, I think we can see it from our roof too. Yeah, look at that. That tiny thing, that's made. Hopefully we'll go there too. And yeah, that's the entrance of the fort. These faggots took my selfie stick, so it's gonna be after a handheld vlog. Bloody hell. That's the entry. Different dialects, different people, same fucking shit. Same shit, different toilets. Yeah, let's continue. And now moving towards the second part of the fort. Let's see what this has. Might be the same thing, might not be the same thing. Wouldn't hurt to check it out. Look at that architecture, baby. All that intricacies. Mostly for wind situations, because it gets pretty hot in Jodhpur, or the whole Rajasthan as a whole, I would say. Nope, this is not the same thing. Check those out. Kadais, maybe cooking situation for an entire village, maybe the army, I guess, all the staff who would be working at the fort, I guess. Let's see if I can find something else interesting. If not, I'll see you somewhere else. Look at this. Cannons and cannons, defenses. Yeah. Damn. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I'd love to be able to go there, but sure, whatever. Cannons, of course. Shenanigans. Yeah. That's the view. That's Umaid Bhavan right there. Some more cannons. Uh-huh. You can see more of it. Over there. And that's the entire thing. Mandol Garden they call it. Let's see. There's a light and sound show. You can see. Look at this. That's the Mandol Garden. You all see the light. And this is, I mean, these are amazing. Look at that. That. Look at it. I mean, there are only few civilizations who have done architecture this marvelous. And that's the ancient Egyptians and the ancient Hindus. Maybe some ancient Greek. Everybody else can go suck a dick. Let's see if we can. Can we go there? Let's see. I'll ask around. Yeah. And to our surprise, we can go inside. We see some stupid people doing stupid things. We are doing our things. Oh. Yeah. Structure. There are some stairs there too. Yeah. That one looks like a better prospect to go inside, but that's actually closed. Bigger one, better one. Anyways.